What's up, y'all? My name is Adam Juratovac and I'm a California attorney. In the past year and a half, I've created over 1,200 videos on TikTok, and a majority of those videos are related to California employment law. Now, there are the occasional dancing videos and other Bay Area style videos in there as well, but a lot of my videos have done with sharing general legal information about California law to make sure that everyone knows their rights. Alright, let's see what the next one is. This is really cool. You know, I think this is one of the first social media apps that's ever sent me anything or given me anything other than FOMO. So that's always a positive thing. So the next thing we're going to open up is over here. Oh, this is a big box. So we have something from Glow Recipe. I can't wait to open it up. Glow Recipe. Let's see what it is. What? That's really cool. So check it out. We have a couple things. Right here we have an avocado creamide recovery serum. We already know I like serum, so that's going to be a win. And then we have a watermelon glow mask Denouet. So it's a watermelon glow sleeping mask for glowing radiance and smoothing skin. And I like it because it has a watermelon on it. So right now this brand already has an avocado and a watermelon, so they're winning for me right now. And then, wait, is that another watermelon? That's another watermelon. There are two watermelons on here. One has a watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrops. Watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrops, ultimate glow and brightening. And I think that's a French way to pronounce it or spell it out underneath, so I'm not going to try that one. But this is a highlighting serum. So this is really cool too. Look at this. Look at all these facial products I'm getting. Like, look at all these facial products I'm doing. I have no excuse not to use them every single night. Especially because I know with this harsh weather over in Northern California and the bright sun, we're gonna need something to make me look a little bit younger for a little bit longer. And I'm okay with that. Especially with this good stuff. I just want to say thank you TikTok and thank you Glow Recipe for sending me this swag package, because I can't wait to use the dewdrops, the sleeping mask, and the recovery serum. So thank you, I really, really appreciate it. Perfect. This is cool, and all this stuff keeps on stacking. The next thing we're gonna open up is from Tower 28. Now check it out, Tower 28. So I just want everyone to just check out the packaging on this stuff. The packaging is amazing, the colors are amazing. Everything is just really laid out and really well organized, and it just makes a big difference. So this one is from Tower 28. I'm about to open that up. I love when there's brochures and stuff because I love reading all of this before I start using the products. I like knowing what I need to do, what benefit it's going to have, and what I should look out for with regard to results later on. So this is Tower 28, designed for sensitive skin, made for all. 7 days to happier skin. Oh wow, okay. So this right here is the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray, right there. And it looks pretty cool. Let's try it out right now. My face feels refreshed. Use daily AM PM for freshly cleansed skin. Let dry before using moisturizer. This is really cool. I can't wait to use this one. I know I love using these refreshing moisturizing sprays on long trips, on airplane rides, or anytime I'm just up for about 18 hours in a day. Just because when you put it on your face, it refreshes you, it rejuvenates you, and it's like splashing cold water on your face. It wakes you up a little bit. And disclaimer, there was actually a lip gloss in this box too, but my mom came over last Tuesday and she claimed it. So I gave her the lip gloss, but thank you Tower 28 for the lip gloss and the refreshing spray. I can't wait to use it. And thank you TikTok for connecting all of us together. So the last package in this box is from Mount Lai, and I've been waiting for this one. This one looks really cool. It's heavy. I kind of know a little bit about Mount Lai just because my friends use their products, especially, you know, those rollers, so I can't wait to open this up. It says Mount Lai, rooted in traditional Chinese medicine. It's really cool. Mount Lai. Let's see what's in there. What? Alright, so first thing you get is some calming herbal repair facial massage balm. And I've seen this before, so I know what it's for. I'm really excited to see what's in this next box. So I'm gonna put this right here, and then the next thing I'm gonna pull out is gonna be a real big treat. I'm not gonna lie. What we have here is the Mount Lai, the Black Obsidian Facial Spa Set. It's meant to lift, contour, depuff, and restore your skin. And it has a warming black obsidian. Gosh, man, this is cool. This is really cool. First, it comes off with one of these little brochures to teach you how to use your sculptor and also your rolling pen. But then, like, look at this. It comes with a sculptor and a rolling pen. That's amazing. You know I'm gonna use that. I'm definitely gonna use this. Absolutely. It's gonna be right on my desk. I'm gonna use it every day. All right, now let's read the message. About Mount Lai. Mount Lai is a beauty brand rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, inspired by the founder's own grandmother, who has been practicing gua sha and jade rolling for over 50 years. That's really cool. Is there a note? Now it says here, a modern approach to ancient rituals. Now let's try this out. Let's see, how do you use it? This balm enhances the glide of the tools and amplifies the effects of your facial massage. It melts into the skin, nourishing it with the nutrient-rich plant oils, herbs used in traditional Chinese medicine. But how do you use it? Restoring. How do you use it? Like, do you put it on your face first? Put some on my face. I can tell I'm really gonna enjoy this one. Oh yeah. This is stuff. I wonder how long you're supposed to do this for. I mean, I feel like I do this for a while, but we'll see. We'll see how long I can last. I definitely have to start taking some lessons and watching some YouTube tutorials, probably from all the friends I made during the TikTok API Heritage Month week, celebration week. So I'm definitely, if you're watching this and you're on TikTok and we met each other last week and you do skincare routines or beauty care routines, I'm gonna start following you, all right? And then, so please make your content applicable to people who are just learning out. We're just figuring things out, just starting to learn, because we want to get better, we want to look better, and we need to start from the basics, you know, get that elementary fundamentals going. So thank you, Mount Lai, for sharing. Mount Lai or Mount Lay? Either way, I really appreciate you. Thank you, Mount Lay, for sharing this black obsidian roller and sculptor with me along with the paste. I'm gonna use it. I'm really excited about it, and you know, as a guy who's not new to skincare, but newer into the many intricacies of skincare, I really do appreciate this. So thank you very much.